Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use tabs with Elementor and WordPress. So first thing that you should do is make sure to check all pages, and then here we have to go to a page or post where we wish to add that tabs widget. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Once loaded, we have to check for general widgets. So let's see. Okay, general widget, and here you see tabs. We have to drop it on page, then we have to keep adding tabs. Okay, let's say here I have third tab named tab 3. Okay, then let's say tab hash 4. Okay, these are my tabs, and I wish to add some sort of a default content in all of them. Okay, right. Okay, now I wish to edit some styles. Okay, for that let's click on this styles option, then I can set the border. Let's say having border 3, border color, let's say go with gray. Right, we don't need background color, so we'll skip that. Then there are advanced settings, which I don't think we need for tabs, because background, border, and even responsive setting like hide on mobile, etc., I don't think we need it for this example, so I will skip that. Okay, now I can choose whether my tabs appear horizontal or vertical. So let's go with vertical for a change. You can also change it later if you want to keep it horizontal. So let's go with vertical, and now update the page. Now let's preview it. Okay, now here you see your tab 1, then tab 2, then tab 3, and tab 4. Now I made this border exclusively this dark gray. You can change that, and also change the respective tab colors as it is selected. So by default, if it's blue, so we can change that style. So color, by default we'll keep it black, and border color to, let's say, faint gray. Okay, so that it's partially visible, right? And now we will reload it, and here you can see it looks much nice now. Okay, you can also experiment back again with your horizontal tabs. Okay, so let's reload this. Okay, and you have your horizontal tabs. Okay, depending on how you choose the colors, the output would be different and looks much better. So for me, it may be possible that vertical tabs look better than the horizontal one. In your case, that could be different. So you get the idea how to drop in tabs widget into WordPress with Elementor's free plugin.